Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Virtual Contest, Weekly Contest 490. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about, today's virtual contest. Yeah, let's, I don't really have much to say. Let's just have fun. Let's go, and let's just do well. Let's go. Okay. Oh, Q1 medium, okay. 2 players, active, inactive, odd, active, change. Okay, every 6 games, the active change anyway. The active player plays. Okay, so it's just like a delta thing, right? Maybe, or maybe even just Okay, I think actually this is a little bit cleaner, maybe for debugging purposes. So then maybe P for player, right? And you swap and then you score, or okay, so then now if num sub I mod 2 is equal to 1, do they can you swap both? I don't know. Like, can you swap twice? Score difference. So it could be negative, right? Well, this is just okay. 0 to 2. Okay. How did I get this one? 2, 1, 8, and 4. What do I have? I guess we could just do it incrementally as well. Oh, I always switch on the thing, so okay, that's actually really bad. How did I get the first one right? I think I just kind of messed it up, but okay. This is still well. All right, said 8-0, 8-1. Nine 3, right? You already have 8 points. Oh wait, so you can't do this twice. Oh, because then now it's not on 0 and no. Wait, is I? So yeah, no. This is on the 6th game. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I see. Huh. Actually, then yeah. Whoopsie daisies. Okay, 8-4, -1. Okay, we are Gucci finally. Math is hard, or English is hard, maybe. Come on, please, no wrong answer. Well, you usually have a wrong answer on that one, I feel like. Especially the way I'm going at it. Okay. Digitorial, the sum of the factor. Okay, is that it? Yeah, okay. I mean, oh wait, permutation. Okay, no, I mean that's still fine, right? You could probably cache this, but I am too lazy. Okay, so then now we want n, right? So okay, so then we also want string of total connections.counter, something like this. F1 is F2 is the same thing, but we have string of s is already a string, return f1 is equal to f2, something like that, right? True, false. I mean, Not enough confidence. Okay, well that's fine then. It was a little bit YOLO. I probably should have tested a little bit more, but I'm glad it worked out. Okay, maximum bitwise XOR after rearrangement. 2 strings, rearrange the character T, but S must remain unchanged. Okay, combine it with okay, and rearrange T. Okay, so one optimal. I think it's just greedy, right? It's just like a easy version of the greedy thing. And this could be very big, but that's fine. We have F dot another frequency table. Yeah, I mean, I think that's it for. So we have an answer. Maybe we could keep it. I mean, I don't know. Okay, fine. We shouldn't need to anyway. For C and S, if C is equal to 0, then we want a 1, right? If F, I mean, I'm debating like whether I should write better logic, but I think this is fine. It's greater than 0, then we use a 1. Yeah, okay. I feel like it is just so like else and so right? But then here we do one document right? Else, then now it's in reverse. Okay, let's double check if this is 1, 1 is 0, otherwise this is a 1, and then we just do we return the answer or the, okay, we do return the answer. This looks okay. It's just so scary because I have so many if statements that okay, one is the answer, this is 1, that's fine, so this is a 1, okay, maybe this should be okay, hopefully no, okay. I wasn't sure because it's just, with if statements and copy and paste if statements, it's just so easy to make a mistake. Now I was not confident about it at all. Okay, Q4, integer nums and k start with value is equal to 1, process nums from left to right. At each index, you must choose one of the following actions. I'm having too much fun. Multiply value by it, divide it by nums, or leave it unchanged. Value is considered equal to k if only its final fraction is exactly. Okay, so I guess there's no like zeroing or 4 or whatever. Return number distinct sequence. Oh, I see. So it's some sort of DP probably. Oh, especially with this 20, then maybe it is DP-ish, but maybe brute force. And numbers is only up to 6. That's interesting. But it's not quite like you might have to do something a little bit smart because it's 3 to the 19, but maybe there's what's 3 to the 19 anyway? I think it's too big though. 3 to the 19 is, yeah, definitely way too big. So what is the thing that I'm trying to be smart about? If it's not brute force, is it brute force? A lot of people seem to have solved it though. I don't know, I'm going YOLO, but I honestly do not know. Alright. Like, I don't know how to prove these two bounds. What will we do before we go then? Okay, fine. If num is equal to k and then is equal to 1, then we return 1. Okay. Now we just what's it called? Multiplier? f of num times num sub. That's actually pretty bad, but okay. Index again, index plus 1, right? I mean, I have to rewrite this, but it's fine, maybe. I have to rewrite this. Start at 1. I just want to see if this actually would give me the right answer before I do it. 0 is wrong, right? Oh yeah, I didn't actually write the thing. What I wanted to do was but we need to cache it. We have to do it pre to cache it a little bit better. Okay, so yeah, let's how do I want to write this? Because it doesn't catch enough. Is I mean, yeah, it's fine. Let's just write it in a dumb way, right? Okay, fine. By definition, this should not be necessary, actually. Nope. This is just ignore. Ignore. All right. Maybe YOLO. Do I have to mod? No, no, because 2 to 3 to 19 should be big enough. I don't know if this is. I didn't even have time to finish my sentence. I thought it would be a little bit harder, to be honest. Because I was very worried. Like I spent, like I definitely like paused, not because of the difficulty, but just because I didn't trust myself, to be honest. Because I wasn't sure that I was going to be correct, but that seemed a little bit easier than I expected, like I said. So that, which and you could say it's just due to a lack of confidence, but I'm actually a little bit surprised. Let me open it up again. Let's do a quick retro. I mean, this was pretty straightforward, I think. Q1, like I said, a lot of I wasn't sure about the rules, so it easily could have gone wrong. Q2 was pretty straightforward, but I don't know, just easy to make mistakes. A lot of if statements here, so easy to make mistakes here. And you have the GCD. I think this is fine, but yeah, I don't know. And I kind of took my time on this one to kind of think through it, so I wasn't even like YOLO rushing it. I finished 31st, and I think I don't think I could have gone 2 minutes, but I think if I was like in a real contest, and this seems like 11 minutes seems like a realistic score. If I was really YOLO, I guess the other ones are 11 minutes as well. So I don't know. I don't know where I could have finished, but I probably could have finished top 10 if this was a real contest, and only in the sense that I would have been faster, but with more volatility, right? Meaning that I would have, during a contest, if I saw myself, like I would have definitely YOLO'd much earlier during the contest, just because I would have been like, oh, I have a chance to win this, right? Whether that's true or not, like I would have been like, it's okay to take the 5-minute penalty and not finish first if there's no other way to do it, right? But yeah, but that's kind of my meta thing. But otherwise, yeah, Q1, Q4, yeah, I mean, I thought it was okay. I mean, I don't know how to do it any other way. I was really worried. I mean, maybe you could do some math on proving this because num sub I is 6. I didn't really do the math precisely, to be honest. I just kind of YOLO trusted a little bit. But keep in mind that 6 means that, you only have to count the number of 2, 3s, and 5s or something, right? So maybe you could redo the state such that it's, because then now you have delta 2s and delta 3s and delta 5s, and you only have 20 of them. So maybe you could do like a 20 times 20 times 20 analysis. But I didn't really think of it that way during the contest. But yeah, that'll come out in the video, don't worry, on like the explanation video. But yeah, overall a pretty good contest. Some of it is just YOLO, and probably could have been faster by YOLO during the contest, but whatever. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Quick contest, very nice. I mean, I'm just happy that it doesn't take all night. So yeah, thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.